Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will do compounding. I have $10 in my account, and we will do 3-step compounding using our total amount in it. And this video is just for your motivation. If you are a beginner, then you should not follow this at all. This video is just for educational purposes. As you can see, this market is now in a trend and is going up from one level. The control of the buyers is quite strong. The fight between sellers and buyers is going on. With multiple confirmations, I will place a trade here now, and as soon as this candle closes, I have placed a trade of $10 in the up direction, and hopefully this will be the trade one. Because the buyers are quite strong here and are beating the sellers out in every candle, so the competition is quite tough. We wait for the result of the trade. Guys, if you want to trade with me, then join my Telegram community where I daily give sessions to my members. They enjoy profit based on my knowledge and strategy. You will also learn from my community. I will give the link in the description. You can join and make daily basis profit. And you saw that in the last few seconds, the candles have come in the up direction and formed inside a small doji, but our trade has already become a win. Our first compounding trade has become a win with very good results, and with the same candle, the next trade has been made, and we have placed $19 in the up direction. The reason for this is that the buyers are strong here, and this doji candle was a decision candle which took control of the buyers before the sellers lost. And we hope that now our compound trade will also be a win in the second. We wait for the result of the candle and see what the result is. There are a few seconds left, and in the last seconds our trade has become a win. The candles have closed with a good body. Thus, our 2-step compounding has been completed well so far. The next will be our last trade. For this, we will wait a little and make a good analysis. I will place a trade of $36 when the opportunity arises. Friends, compounding is only for professional traders. The reason for this is that they have a good experience in the market, and they do not take this risk emotionally, but they take the risk with their mindset and by analyzing the market. Whereas if a beginner trader does compounding, he trades emotionally, due to which he has to face a loss, and now our last trade will be $36. After looking at some other market, we got an opportunity back in the same market, and here I have placed an up direction trade. The candle has come down, but hopefully it has to close in the up direction. The reason for this is that in the last red candle, the seller has taken control downside. But now it has taken control again from the downside, and this candle has to close green. Right now, the buyers are not going to give control to the sellers because they are continuously buyers in the previous candles. So you can see that our trade has been done, and this, similarly, our 3rd-step compounding has also been completed. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button to stay connected with us. If If you want to trade like this, then join my Telegram community for free signals. See you in the next video. Happy trading.